Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO Reno6, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and you'll find screen recorder toggle right here. So what you can do is either tap on it to instantly start recording, or you can hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you'll have options for customizing the quality of a video recording and a couple additional settings. So as you can see, we have things like video resolution, which is set to medium, so I'll set it to be high, which is 1080p at 16 megabits per second, giving me a little bit of better image quality. Then if I go back, we have frame rate. Here it is actually set to dynamic, though this device I believe only has 60 Hz refresh rate, so the settings here are just utter garbage. When in terms of frame rates, I'll probably stick with the 30. Anything lower will just look super bad, and I don't really want to have that moment where it switches from 30 or from 15 to 30. It will still look bad. So just lock it to a certain one. Additionally, below that we have front camera, which once enabled, it will include a selfie camera footage, basically create a circle on the screen with basically everything that the camera sees. So if you want to include that, go right ahead. If you don't, keep it off. And then we also have show screen touches, which means during recording it will show a semi-transparent dot wherever you will press on the screen to either swipe up or do anything like that. It will be visible on the recording. And lastly, we have the sound, so we have the system and a microphone. Now, as you can see, you can have both of them on, but by having both of them on, I do recommend you to use headphones, either earbuds or some, I was gonna say wired, but I guess you will have to have some kind of dongle to convert it, so you can use a 3.5mm jack. So anyway, if you're planning to go with both, have some kind of different sound source, like headphones, because otherwise the phone will be recording the system sound internally, basically before you even hear it, and then that sound will be coming through the speakers, and it will be recorded once again by the microphone, which is supposed to record only you. So that's why I recommend you to use some kind of headphones for this. Now I'm going to be using only the system sound, so I'm going to deselect this one, and I can now leave the section right here and tap on a toggle to turn it on. So from here, select this red circle, and it automatically starts recording. So whatever I'll do right now will be recorded, as well as if I open some kind of apps, they will also be recorded. So there we go. Once you're done, you can click on this overlay right here and select the red square to stop it. And that video will be saved to your Photos application. So you can see it right here, and it's already playing. Now I'll mention when it comes down to applications, as you can see, these applications that I opened right here recorded fine, but if you try to record things like Netflix through a screen recorder, I can say don't bother. It really won't work. Netflix already thought about it, and all you're gonna get is actual sound, but you will get a fully black screen and nothing on it. So kind of pointless. Now anyway, this is how you record your screen, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.